no.
Darn it, that was a good one and I thought it was recording. Does she have a hold of it?
No.
It kind of looked like she had a hold of it. Right, Guy? No, no, baby. Good girl. That didn't sound good. Look at that tail. Daddy, let it go. Daddy, let it go. No, no. Drop it. Rika, drop it.
Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl.
Back up. No, no. Right up.
We shouldn't be teaching your daughter to fetch drones out of the air.
They taught it. You know how to do it. Oh, goodness.
Rika Rose, no.
Drop it. Drop it. You're up. Drop it.
No.
Dang.